If you're a homeowner, sooner or later, you're going to need a good ladder. But did you know that every year, nearly 25,000 people are injured while working with ladders, and almost 40 people die? That's a really good reason to choose the right ladder for the right job around your home. This is a fiberglass ladder, and these range in sizes from 4 feet all the way up to 20 feet. This particular ladder is a 4-foot size, and it will cost you around $40. The fiberglass ladders are good for any projects that you're working on, but they're especially good if you're working with electricity. Your metal ladders and also the wooden ladders conduct electricity, whereas your fiberglass ladders will not. As you can see on this metal ladder, it clearly warns you not to use this ladder with electricity. All new ladders come with these safety labels, so it's very important to read the labels before you begin a project with the particular ladder. This is your standard 6-foot wooden ladder, and this is probably the most common one that you'll find in a home today because it's very inexpensive. Now this one would probably cost you around $20, and it will last you for years. Now over time, you'll probably notice that it gets a little wobbly. Here's one way that you can fix that problem. This is called the ladder stiffener, and it's very easy to install. It just has the 4 screws, and that'll help to stabilize your ladder. You can also just use a couple of wooden braces to get the same effect. Using a ladder on the staircase can be a very tricky and dangerous situation, but this will help. This tool is called a ladder mate, and there's many different ways that you can use the ladder mate, but for this particular situation, you'll want to place the lip of the ladder mate up against the edge of the stair, just like this. Now this gives you a flat, level surface in which to put your ladder, and actually it allows you to use your ladder on the staircase in ways that you never could before. Here's another great use for this tool. You can hang this on one side of your ladder to either hold your paint cans or your tools, and that will keep them handy while you're on this side of the ladder working. When it's time to change a light bulb in a light fixture that's way up high, here's an interesting tool that you can use, and this will save you from even having to get out a ladder at all. It's called a light bulb changer, and it comes with 3 different attachments on it, so it should fit any size light bulb that you have. It's a good idea to wear your safety goggles anytime that you're changing light bulbs over your head. And what's good about it is it extends up to 11 feet, so that makes your job really easy. The attachment on the end of the pole slips right over the end of the light bulb and grips it. Then you can turn it and pull the bulb right out. Then to put the new bulb in, you just place it in the end of the attachment and twist it in, and the tool slips right off once the bulb is secure. When working with extension ladders, there's a couple of very important safety precautions you need to be aware of. The first one is you want to make sure that your ladder is at a 75-degree angle. This keeps it from being too straight up or too far out, and it gives you the stability that you need to be safe. In other words, you want to make sure that your ladder is out 1 foot for every 4 feet in length. So if your ladder is 12 feet, then it needs to be out 3 feet. And the other thing is the top of the ladder. You want to make sure that this is extended 36 inches above the landing. That gives you something to hold on to when you're getting on and off the roof, and again, you'll be safe.